Hey guys, it's Anna, so welcome back to my channel. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. Obviously, you know what's going on with filters. It's another part of my declutter series, so this is another declutter video. Definitely have this hat on because I have a ton of what's it called? Spot treatment on. So that's gross. Anyway, so I just wanted to kind of cover that up. This is gonna be my declutter for my bronzers and like contour drawer. Yeah. So we can just ignore everything that's going on there, but let's just get on into the drawer. Here is the basically bronzer drawer. Oh my gosh, it gives me such anxiety. And I'm pretty sure there's more bronzing stuff in other drawers too, so this should be fun. This is everything that was in the contour drawer, and I also have bronzers obviously in that drawer because I kind of contour with bronzing powders too, because kind of same thing, you know. And then I did look through and I found some more palettes that I had in different drawers. I realized there was like highlighters and obviously blush in here too. I just decided to put everything in this pile so that you can see what was actually in that drawer because it's crazy. But yeah, so I'm gonna first take out anything that's not contour or bronzers that don't belong in this drawer at all. First thing is this Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless, a blush kit. This shouldn't be in here at all. I'm just gonna add this to the blush drawer, so you guys will probably see that again once I go through and declutter my blush drawer. I saw a few highlighters in here. This Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in Precious Petals. So this can come out. It just needs to go in my highlighter drawer. Again, you'll probably see this one again. Are these contour? Oh, this is like a trio thing, so it has highlighter and the bronzer. It's got a bronzer, setting powder, and the highlight. They like stick together to make the palette. This is by Kevin Aquan. I got this from either TJ Maxx and Marshall's a while ago, but once they're all together, it's a palette. They all been together. So you have the bronzer, the highlight, and the setting powder. This I keep in here just because it fits better in this drawer. There's a way that these stick together, and I don't know why they're not magnetizing together right now. There they go. I guess I'm just keep this in this drawer. That was my bad. I thought they were all highlighters, but this is I'm keeping. Any other highlighters? Yeah. Makeup Revolution highlighter. I've mentioned it before. Makeup Revolution. I love their highlighters. This is the Vivid Shimmer Brick and Pink Kiss. I'm just gonna move this out. It's the highlighter. Oh, this drawer is just so overwhelming. I just can't even deal. This drawer like just really, it's like not big enough obviously to fit the palette, so I'm gonna have to figure something out with that. Basically all of the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour cream kits. I think I have them in every color maybe. These are the older version, and then if you can see the packaging difference, this is the old packaging and this is the new packaging. It's in like a plastic versus like a sturdy cardboard box, if you can kind of tell. And then obviously the lids are different. This one is in Fair, which is actually too light for me, but I liked the white in there, and you can kind of mix and match and make these perfect for you, and I just wanted the newer packaging. That's why I picked it up too. This is the one that I use the most. It's in medium, and this one is in deep, so these are all keeps. I'm just gonna move them to the side because I'm not sure if these are actually gonna be staying in the drawer, but these are keeps. Then I have backups of the cream Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour kit because I love them. I use them all the time. I had gotten them on sale. Or at least this one. Did I pay full price for this one? Wow, I must have. Maybe I got a different one on sale then, because I think I only paid full price for like one of each. So I have two of the deeps. Like I said, you can mix and match. These are backups. I'm gonna keep them, but they're going somewhere else. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. This is just the regular powder kit. So I have one in medium to tan, which is this one, and then I also have tan to deep, which is this one. And I use both, so obviously we're keeping both of these because they're amazing. Then into this one because it's kind of similar. These are the Profusion palettes. Oh, this is a highlight palette, so I'm just gonna take this one out. This is the Studio Contour palette by Profusion. It's kind of basically like a dupe for the Anastasia ones, but I had gotten these from Marshall's for only $3.99, which is an amazing price. They're actually really good. This one I guess is also gonna be a keep. I do like Profusion stuff. I use this one too, and I would rather travel with this one versus my Anastasia ones, just in case, you know, they get kind of shattered, but I'm gonna keep this one. I already know it's gonna be really hard to let stuff go again. I feel like this is gonna be the same as the powder drawer. I feel like a lot of this stuff is kind of newer still, just needs to go somewhere else, a lot of it, so that there's more room in the drawer. I think that's the issue. There's a lot of backups and stuff in here, which is the problem. Here, the Physicians Formula, I love their bronzers. They're just kind of pricey, so I usually get them when they're on sale, so I'll have like a few backups. I don't even know, like, they all have like the same names. Instant Lasting Airbrush Bronze Glow. I don't know, but this is a backup, so I'm just gonna move it somewhere else. No, this one's a backup too? Maybe? I think this is a backup, but this is the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Balance Foundation. I actually use this to contour with, and I love traveling with these as like a cream contour. I use mine in the shade Coconut, which is $3.55. This I'm pretty sure is a backup, so it's gonna be a keep. I'm just moving it somewhere else. These are some of my holy grail Holy Grail contour powders, Black Radiance foundation colors, but I use them as contour. I love these. I use it in the color Cafe and also in the color Golden Almond, so these are keeps. I wanted to mention that because I know this one is a backup, so it needs to be moved out of this drawer. This is a backup of Cafe from Black Radiance. Hasn't even been opened yet, so just gonna keep this, but it's going to a different place. I just keep looking at this. This is the BH Cosmetics Foundation and Concealer 10 color palette. I had gotten this from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I didn't pay that much for it, but it's basically like a cream contour kit is how I was going to be using it. Yes, you can use that as foundation too, so maybe in one of my TJ Maxx and Marshalls Get Ready With Me videos, I might actually use one of these as a foundation. That's smart. But so this is a keep. It just shouldn't be in the drawer, I don't think, because it takes up so much space, you know? Palettes are just crazy taking up space. Another palette is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. This is something else that I gotten from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Love this palette. This is definitely a keep. I use this so much, as you can kind of tell. Some more stuff from TJ Maxx and Marshalls are these Kevyn Aucoin bronzing powders. So I have 3 of these. I love Kevyn Aucoin products. These are the Celestial Bronzing Veil. I have them in all 3 colors. Oh wow, this is something else, so we'll get to that in a second. So there's 2 colors of this. Tropical Nights, which is the cool bronze, and Tropical Days, which is the warm bronze. So you have like a cool color and a warm color. Slightly different. They look pretty similar on camera, but there's those. These are definite keeps, obviously. Kevyn Aucoin, this is Essential Skin Powder Foundation in the color Deep. This is actually a powder foundation that I had gotten from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and I got it on like a super sale, I think, so I was just gonna use this as a contour color. This is obviously keeps. It's gonna stay in this drawer even though it's foundation because I use it as powder contour. These that I grabbed right here are all of my Anastasia Beverly Hills cream foundation sticks. These I really got to use as contour, again, obviously, which is why they're in this drawer. I have 4 different colors because I didn't know which one was gonna be best for me. I think I actually did get one to use as foundation too, so maybe I should put it in my foundation drawer, which I think is the caramel color. Yeah, I think I got this one to try to use as a foundation because that looks like it might be okay for me as foundation. This is in the color caramel, so I think I'm just gonna move this to a different drawer, yeah? So that when I'm looking for foundation, or should I leave it there? Whatever, I'm gonna keep it in the drawer for now. But so these are all keeps. But I also have the color Walnut and the color Mink, which I think I showed these in a different declutter video that I had just done, and I moved them to this drawer. So these are keeps. I also have this one in the color Banana. I got this mainly to add like as a contour, or maybe even to add or use as actually concealer. So this is another keep. I just keep it in this drawer as like, it makes sense to me. And they're all similar products, so I feel like it'll be easier just to store them together in the same drawer. Some more Kevyn Aucoin. Obviously, I gotta keep all my Kevyn Aucoin because this is just amazing. And I got them for amazing prices from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. This is the contour palette, 4-in-1 Facial Essential. Is that what it was? I might have just read that wrong. This is the really cute one. But yeah, not much to say. It's got the bronzing colors, blush, and highlight in there, so obviously keep. This one right here is the Black Radiance True Complexion, I can't read, True Complexion Blushing Bronze Palette in Dark to Deep. I mainly got this one for the highlighter, but I don't really use it that much. So this one might be the only thing I say goodbye to, but I'm not gonna throw it away. I think I'm gonna offer this to my friend and see if she wants it. So I have like 2 friends I could give some stuff to that's like in same colors as me, kind of. Sorry to say it, but I have to get rid of it. It's not bad, I just don't reach for it, so I just feel like, why do I have it? Wet n Wild stuff. Here's a few. This is the Wet n Wild pressed powder, photo focus pressed powder. I think it's supposed to be like a setting powder. This is in the color Cocoa. Really dark, so obviously I use it as a contour color, and I really like it. Like, I really do think it smooths out your pores. I don't know, it just looks so beautiful. It's long lasting. This is a definite keep, and I highly recommend this too. These are from that limited edition collection, Color Icon bronzers, and so obviously I got one of each color. I got one in Queensland and Your Dragon Me Down. Haven't even tried these yet, so these are definitely keeps though. I love buying all of the Wet n Wild limited edition stuff, so these are definite keeps. This is something that I showed in a previous declutter video. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the color, what color is this? Chestnut. I got this because I see a lot of people use it as contour, so I got this to try, and it was like marked down at CVS, so this is a keep. This is the Sleek Makeup Contour and Concealer Palette. I got this one from TJ Maxx or Marshalls also. It was only like like $3 or $4. This is a definite keep. It looks a little light, so I still need to kind of test it out, which I'll do in another get ready with me video. But I got this mainly because it's like perfect size for travel. I just thought it was super cute. You know, it's easy to travel with if it's a good color. This one is in the color 5. I think they had different colorways, but I'm keeping that. Speaking of nice and travel friendly size, these are the Pure Cosmetics Sculpt and Glow palettes. I just kept them together because they go together. This is the Sculpt one. This is actually the like contour version, but it's got stuff to contour with and then a little bit of a highlight. But I guess it's supposed to be like a bronzer, but it's really shimmery. And then this obviously is the highlighter. So technically this should be in the highlight drawer. They just look cute staying together. I think so, because I have so many highlighters. There's like no room in the highlight drawer, I'm telling you. This is the Stila Stay All Day Contouring Bronzer for Face and Body in the color Dark. This is something else I got from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I love it though because it's such a huge compact. This is a definite keep. I haven't even used it yet, so that's a keep. I guess for the most part, only if I say I'm getting rid of something, just I'm keeping it. This again was sent to me. This is from Shop Miss A, the AOA Studio Wonder Cover. I'm pretty sure this is actually concealer. Yeah, HD concealer, but I got this to use as a contour color and it does work. I like it. So this one's in the color Suede. So this is a keep. This one right here is the Lorac Tantalizer. It's a highlighter and matte bronzer duo. This was something again from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I love it, but I haven't really gotten good use out of it. I need to use it in a video ASAP. I think I already used it though, but I gotta use it again. These Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duos. Got one. These are 2 different colors. So it's 1 and 2, I guess is just how they labeled it. There's 1. And here's number 2. So it's like you get your bronzer color and then you get your highlight colors on top. These are super cute. I haven't even really tried these out yet. Another thing to use in a video, going back in the drawer. This right here is the Smashbox Step-by-Step Contour Palette. This is actually new to my collection, like fairly new to my collection from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So this is cute. Another thing that's pretty nice and fairly travel size friendly, you know, so I like it, and I haven't even really used it yet. This one right here, another Becca Cosmetics. This is the Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation in the color Noisette. This is actually a foundation. Oh, so I don't know why it's in this drawer. That's cool. This is actually, it should be in my powder drawer, so that's where this guy's gonna go. So it needs to go in a different drawer. I have all these e.l.f. little sets. These look like they're similar things, obviously. These are, I don't even know. This is just says bronzed peach. Oh, it's like the cream blush and like contour color. These I actually really like. These are really nice for the days that I don't wear a ton of makeup, like no foundation. Nice and creamy. They blend so nicely, and it's e.l.f. so they're super affordable. I really like these, so I'm gonna keep them. This is in bronzed velvet, and this one was what again? Bronzed peach. So I love these. I don't know if these are the same thing. I hate how they don't have, oh no, they're different. I hate though how e.l.f. just doesn't put product names on stuff, but whatever. This is a powder duo of blush and bronzer. Obviously you can see I really like the bronzer color, so this is going to be a definite keep. This is in the color Fiji Matte for whichever duo it is. These are so dirty. This one though, this is the e.l.f. Golden Bronzer, so they decided to put it on there this time, and this one is in the color just Golden. I've had this, I don't know when I got this, but I've never really used it, so this is something I'm going to offer to my friend also because I don't really want to throw it away. It's not bad, I just have other things that I reach for, and it's more of a highlighter, definitely not a bronzer, at least not for my skin tone, so that'll go to a friend. Now though I have this little organizer, and this organizer though I'm not really sure where I got it from. Probably TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Bed Bath & Beyond, whatevs. But since we were on e.l.f., I'm going to grab some e.l.f. That's NARS, that's not e.l.f. This looks like it is the Cream Contour Palette. Let's look at this. Wow, I really use this one too. This is another thing that I would rather travel with instead of my Anastasia Beverly Hills, just so that nothing happens to those palettes that I cannot live without. This I'm going to keep for that main reason, just because I like to travel with it, and I do obviously use it. This is in the shade, it doesn't even really have a shade name, it's like all numbers, so this is a keep though. This one, it's dirty. This one is NARS. I don't even know, it doesn't say, it just says Gina. That's the color. This is just a contour little compact, so this is obviously going to be a keep. I don't even think I've used this. I think I only swatched it, and I got it from TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so obviously staying. This guy right here is super cute. I got this from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Someone told me how this goes before. I'm pretty sure the brand is Dinoplats, or is it Too Cool for School? I forget, but this is just a little palette. I'm pretty sure you can find this brand at like Nordstrom. I just think it's cute. So you get your bronzer, blush, and highlight color, and then down at the bottom is your little brush, which I think is super cute. And obviously I haven't used this yet either. It's pretty bulky, but the packaging is cute. I should actually put this out on display, which I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna keep this out of the drawer and just use it for display. I mainly got these just to add to my collection because I love Milani stuff. But as you can see, they're super light colors. But I got these on like super sale from Walmart. I remember that. But this is in Radiant Tan. It's a bronzer, and this is an all over glow. I don't know. What is this? Bronze and glow in the color 1. I haven't even swatched these, but I just think these are honestly like too light for me. So these I'm also gonna try to give to a friend and see if she wants them, because I just never reach for them because they're too light. I should have known that. But I was like, no, it might work. These are some of my favorites right here. So these are the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I have both colors that they have. They have Caramel Toffee and Dulce de Leche. Obviously, I like the Dulce de Leche better with that contour color. I'm not really the biggest fan of the like brightening sides, but I do use them sometimes to brighten up my under eyes. This is my favorite one, but I like these both. They're just so large. But I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be dupes of this one right here, but these are gonna go back in the drawer. This one is a Marc Jacobs one that I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. This is their Hi-Fi filter, okay, and the number 60, I guess. But a lot of companies have come out with like dupes for this basically, but I mainly got this because it's Marc Jacobs and it was at TJ Maxx, so it was pretty affordable. I should probably use this though in a video, but I love it. The packaging though is like huge. These are some Rimmel bronzers. These I got because they're waterproof, so I mainly got this for days when I'm outside, so these are definite keeps. These are just waterproof bronzing powders, and I got different colors because this is more shimmery and this one's definite matte. Let's see what colors these are. Sun Bronze and Sunshine is the shimmery one. These are definite keeps. They're so pretty, and like I said, they're waterproof. Like I said, Physicians Formula is actually one of my favorites for bronzer. This was a new one, and then I have that backup, so this one's gonna stay in the drawer. This one though, it says it's a mineral wear bronzer, but for some reason it's pretty light. I think this is actually something else that I'm gonna give to a friend because I never reach for it because it's pretty light. These were like little samples that I had gotten. Or is this maybe from TJ Maxx too? But I feel like it was a sample. But anyways, it's the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in medium deep. So it's just the Too Faced bronzer. Super cute little baby, obvious keep, you know. And then this one is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. It's the Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. This I definitely got as a sample with something, but it looks more like a highlighter. It's super shimmery. But this is obvious keep. I love Tarte. And the last two things chilling in here are by MAC. This one is the Mineralized Skin Finish. It's in the color Soft and Gentle. This one is definitely more like a highlighter, so I don't know really why it's in here. I'm just gonna move this to the highlighting drawer, even though there's no room in that drawer. This one is the Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. So this is more of like a top powder, isn't it? This is in the color Give Me Sun. I think this is supposed to be more of like a setting powder. Whoa, pretty colored. I'm gonna move this to a different drawer. I don't know why I thought it was like a bronzer. Pretty orange though. I'm gonna move this to my setting powder drawer. Here is the drawer now. It looks a lot better. I'm not sure if it's gonna stay like this though. I hate these drawers. They don't open as far as the other side. Some of the palettes fit in here, not all of them. Like I said, these drawers just aren't really meant to have the palettes in there though. There just really isn't that much space. That is it for this declutter video for all of my contour and bronzer powders and creams. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are enjoying the declutter series so far, because there's a few more drawers coming, but those drawers are like intense, insane. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you guys saw anything in my collection that you guys own and love, or if there's any that maybe you guys are looking for at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And if you're enjoying the declutter videos, please, please, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and you hit the little bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any videos that I post. Muchísimas gracias por ver ese video. I don't even know how to speak Spanish today. That's how crazy I feel right now. But yeah, muchísimas gracias. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.